to not a 10-minute painting, but a video that I am extremely excited to share with all of you. Today is a very exciting day because I get to bring you something I've been working on tirelessly for the last number of months. I know I say that in all of these big announcement videos, but it's true because these are all passion projects. It's things that we put all of ourselves into, and it's something that, again, I'm just very excited to bring to the table. Today I'm announcing the new website, staycreativepainting.com. It took a tagline, a moniker, something I think we're all proud of, something we all believe in, and turned it into something real. But this isn't just about a website. This is about everything that comes with it. It comes with new series, new painting lessons, sales, lots of fun things. So let me jump right into it. What does it mean? It means, first off, we get a newsletter. If you look in the description right now, you can sign up for it. It lets you know about all of the new videos that we're releasing each and every week. That's right, I said videos, because from now on, we're not just doing a video on Saturday, we are doing videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and maybe a couple more days as well. But it'll keep you up to date and ensure that you aren't missing a thing. It also comes with a brand new exclusive video. 5 tips to the perfect composition. Why is that important? Because when you go into your painting, before you do any blending, before any color mixing, all of that, it's built on a foundation. And that foundation is your composition. It is ensuring you have everything laid out perfectly. So when you jump into it, you can do a fantastic job and know that when you get to the end of the painting, the structure is there. It's imperative. It's something a lot of beginners overlook, but it makes or breaks your paintings. So to begin, you sign up for the newsletter, you get a brand new exclusive video. Then every week you get a newsletter with tips, tricks, and it keeps you up to date. You get to see everything that we're coming out with. So it's imperative, I highly implore you to go and check that out. It's free, and it's going to ensure that you also stay accountable and that you are consistently learning about acrylics and oil painting. More on that in just a second. With the new website, I'd also like to announce the new painting series. Well, one of two. It is an acrylic series. It is between 3 and 5 hours long. It is a premium lesson. That way we have the 10-minute lessons, we have the hour-long lessons, and then we have the 3 to 5 hour long lessons. It is going to be full of detail. It is going to cover all of our blending, all of our water. It is going to take things to the next step and ensure that you can create pieces that really feel like you can just fall into them, you can live into them. These are going to be the top of the top paintings. They're going to give us so much more time to explore more intricate pieces, and they are going to be just a blast. I have the first one up over on the website. It is $14.99 and is entirely worth it. This is probably my favorite acrylic painting that I've done for this entire channel. It is cherry blossom trees, it is beautiful reflections in the water, it paints a beautiful picture, and it's going to ensure that you can paint it as well. It starts off very easy, it's great for beginners, and then because we have the time, we can slowly ramp it up. We can move you from a beginner into an intermediate, and we also teach advanced techniques. It's going to ensure that you leave the painting with a great understanding of all of these subjects and how to use the mediums as well. So that is the second big announcement. We have the newsletter, we have the 3 to 5 hour acrylic lessons. We also have brand new oil lessons. It is a valiant return to the channel. We've done a number of them in the past, and there's something I honestly absolutely love, but I simply didn't have time to do them in the past. Oil paintings can take me 20 hours, 30 hours, 40 hours. And I'm going to bring them back to the channel. I found a way. I'm extremely excited. With that, we're going to do some prints. We're going to have those up on the website. We're going to have the galleries up on the website. This series starts next Wednesday. So every Wednesday, you get an oil video. Every Saturday, you get an acrylic video. And you're just going to learn so much about new mediums. I'm so excited to bring these to you, both the extremely advanced acrylic lessons and the new oil lessons as well. Now, I actually have more to announce. So to start off this new website, this new announcement, we are also doing a big sale. 25% off both of my books, Acrylics for Beginners and Painting Prompts. This is exclusively over on the website. It is just a fun way to celebrate the website and the launch of all of the new series. So go and check that out. That is also in the link in the description. Again, if you're unaware, Acrylics for Beginners, it teaches you the essentials, the basics. It teaches you about creating depth in your painting, what brushes to use, how to use them, when to blend with water. Painting prompts is 21 digital sketches for days where you don't have ideas, but you still want to create something. These are all things that are included down in the description. There's so much content, and I cannot wait to share all of it with you here today. So there we have it. That is the news. Those are the 4 big announcements. But I'd like to end this with 2 things. First, a reminder about the newsletter. You sign up for this and you get all of the news about all of these new things every single week, and that exclusive video on compositions. The second thing I'd like to note is just a thank you. Because this website, all of these series, everything that is happening right now is happening because of you. Because of your support, because of your viewership, because of your comments, because of everything that you do to make this a community. I wouldn't be here right now. None of these paintings would be here right now. None of these lessons would be here right now if it wasn't for you. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for supporting me, for supporting this channel. I can't wait to grow and go through these next steps, these new lessons with you, and just thank you. Thank you, and stay creative.